Aboriginal Australians speak about their country as they would speak about a family member that they care deeply for. The connection to their country is fundamental to the identity of Aboriginal people. The Welcome to Country is an important ceremony that recognises and celebrates the responsibility that traditional owners have in caring for the land, the sea and the sky. The artwork, Women Preparing Piruwa Tea at Kiwirrkurra, depicts women sitting together at the traditional women's sites out on their country, drinking tea made from the sweet nectar of the Piruwa flowers. This design celebrates that comforting, welcoming gesture when you walk into a home, so that every cup becomes an invitation to share culture, place and story with each other.